Okay, so in this tutorial, we'll be going over how to calculate percentages. There are three types of problems that we'll come across. Before getting started, we need to mention that the definition of percent is per 100. So when I convert it to math for computation, I put whatever is to the left of the percent sign over 100. Here's one type of problem. All the problems we have are going to be formatted the same way. Like, for example, 16% of 160 is something. Each of the types of problems will have a missing value. In this case, it's the square. We convert it to math. Percent goes over 100 of multiply is equal the unknown, we give it a variable name. And then solve. In the next type of problem, the triangle is going to be missing. Same procedure. Solve. In the next kind of problem, the circle is going to be missing. Same procedure. Notice that the circle part in front of, to the left of the percent sign is what we're giving the variable name, x. Solve.